Coney Island is arguably the most historically relevant amusement park in the country. But on May 15th, 2021, another historic event took place at this amazing park. Our full-time coaster tour met up with a host of New York Jets YouTube personalities and die-hard fans to get the NFL's most famous chant going from the top of the world's most famous coaster. Well, hey everybody, this is Greenbean with Full-Time Coaster Tour, Jetnation.com, Greenbean, Jetsfan.com, coming to you to talk about just an amazing day at Coney Island, which is so much more than just the coasters and rides. Look at this place. You have the beautiful beach, but I got to meet the world-famous Matt O'Leary, who turns out doesn't really get on much coasters. Let's see how that conversation went.
Like your thing.
It is.
How many have you been on?
This is, well, I've already done this one, so it's one, I'm at 190 right now.
How? This will be 3.
Number 3. Yeah. That's good. I'm psyched for you. So the reason we were there was to get a group of Jets fans a full train and get the world-famous New York Jets chant going from the top of the Cyclone. So we're going to have that full experience for you. Enjoy. Yeah! Woo! You guys ready? Woo! I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2, 3. J-E-T-S. Jets, Jets, Jets. Woo! So what'd you guys think?
No, we had a lot of fun, man. Thanks,
yeah?
Greenbean, thanks for setting this up, bro.
Yeah. So Matt, this was your 3rd coaster about?
Yeah. Yes.
How you feeling right now?
12 years since the last time I've been on a coaster.
How you feeling right now?
I survived.
That's
the
right.
adrenaline's still high, a little sweaty, but I'm good.
That's awesome. What'd you guys think? So that was such an incredible experience, and this group of Jets fans, what an amazing bunch of people. They were all so supportive of each other and just having the best time. Everybody was genuinely happy to be there. It was so great to finally meet so many of the people that we talked to online, like Jets Life 45, Joel, John Amarella, Joe the Comic, George, Matt O'Leary, Three Amigos. Just so many guys were there, Liam Riordan, and they even gave gifts, which was just amazing.
The moment.
Oh, dude, awesome, man. Thank you. Oh, that's incredible, man. Thank you. Julia, look what he got. That's amazing. And here you can take a look at what the picture was that he bought, a little keychain. And I really do appreciate that, George. Thank you. So obviously the main event was the Cyclone and getting that Jets chant going from up top of there. But there's so much more to do in Coney Island. And the first thing that we thought was paramount was getting a couple Nathan's Franks in our bellies before we moved on. The large part of the group did make it over to Nathan's, but this was where we sort of split in half. And as a bonus, we decided, let's get a Jets chant going from the top of the ThunderBolt coaster, right up there. You see that? So we made our way over to the ThunderBolt coaster with a host of Jets fans in tow. And we got to see Coney Island as we walked over. And you can see here they're about to put in another roller coaster right next to the ThunderBolt. And this was the construction wall that they have a few holes in where you can see what's going on there. And this is the view from there, so you can imagine what it's going to look like with another coaster right next to it. Coney Island they never stop. They never stop improving and building. And here we are on the line for the ThunderBolt. And you can see, look at her, all excited to be taking her turn on it. And here we go. We're going to let you hear this Jets chant from the top of the ThunderBolt. First time in history, I have to say. Why not? So a day at Coney Island is not complete without going and seeing the 140-year-old carousel. This horse right here was actually sat on by none other than Abraham Lincoln. It's just such a very special park with lots and lots of history. And what we did after this was we decided what better way to end this amazing day than going to L&B Spumoni Gardens and having one of the world's most famous pizzas. Take a look.
Look at this. Unlike anything.
It's our first L&B. Is this your first? No?
First time.
Ooh. First? Oh, you're the only one. Oh, we're psyched. And I want to thank Sack Exchange from Twitter for purchasing and providing that delicious pizza for everybody there. What an amazing place L&B Spumoni Gardens is. I know I'm overusing the word amazing in this vid, but I gotta tell you, it was an amazing day. This is one of my favorite stops on the entire coaster tour, in addition to being able to hang out with all of my awesome, amazing Jets fans. Finally getting to meet my partner in all this, Mr. Matt O'Leary, was just an incredible experience. Nicer in person than he even is over videos and everything, and I couldn't be more grateful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow my full-time coaster tour, as well as keep up with all your latest Jets news.